Welcome to Kids Gamers. Today we're doing a part 2 of our Baby Yoda from the Mandalorian.
And I'm also doing the Mandalorian. And I'm doing the Mandalorian.
Look at this
And look
face.
at it. I don't really look. It's the Mandalorian.
See, how does it not look like?
And I'll show you the guns.
That's okay.
This is a big gun. Shoot the yelling Baby Yoda.
We are gonna start.
Yeah, let's start building again.
From where we started last time.
I was frustrated with this, so I just did my own different kind of part. Okay. So, putting it back there. So on the next part, I gotta open it with. Oh, the match. This was gonna look at part 38. Yeah, part 6.
It's not that.
This is 6. So we need about this right here. And on top we need this, and then there's more.
Oh yeah, I think I put it back in here.
No, I'm talking about the yellow one.
I didn't see a little more.
It says we have to.
Max, there's a bottom for a lightsaber. Max.
Wait, right?
Max, like this bottom for a lightsaber.
I got those. I was wondering where are they?
Okay.
They're on both sides of next step.
Look at that.
This one.
Okay. Our next step is to build the white
Oh, I missed something.
shell.
We need 4 of these. I got 2. There's 1, 2.
Is the
Both
shell?
sides.
I missed something.
So I do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh
Oh yeah. Oh, these parts.
Wait, was it supposed to go like this the whole time?
Go like.
This?
Oh, that might be it. Maybe that explain. Maybe you're supposed to put the red one.
In between.
Yeah.
Didn't know it. Now I gotta put the red one in between. Here's the red piece. And take off this.
He took off the red piece to get another one. Then he just found that it was the and he actually was right, and he was just wrong.
We have this, and we're putting this piece on.
Okay.
So,
Wait, how are you supposed to put it
Upside.
in?
Oh, is that correct? No, that's upside down. That's upside down. No. That one was the right way. That one's upside down.
I put them both.
No, one of them was upside down. The other one isn't. That one's right there. Show it. See? Yeah.
Max, I've got yours. What way are you supposed to do it?
So I'm gonna look at this so I don't get it wrong.
Well, we check the instructions. I think the way that makes sense.
Oh, this one, these are turned wrong.
Okay.
Stick on
Okay. Emily is getting every single one.
on. There.
Okay.
This?
I'm gonna build some. Okay.
Now.
We have our chair, and
Okay.
now we gotta do the things that go
So let me
to
do
this.
Wait, this is tricky.
Okay, so now we gotta add this. Oh, we'll just put this in here. Put this in that. I know, like that. Put that there, like that. Then put that put that here.
Oh, wait, you're supposed to put this closer.
Okay.
You're supposed to put this closer.
You could talk there.
Now you're supposed to put this closer.
No.
You're supposed to put that closer too.
Okay, so now we gotta do the back one.
Oh, but then
Oh, yes.
this is really getting hard.
Okay. No, the back. It's the same thing as that. Oh, we need a green. There.
It's actually too hard. I'm confused. This is too hard. I'm so confused.
At least you started building your person. We're just building the hovercraft that Yoda sits in. Baby Yoda sits in.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to do this? I'm getting back in the. I'm getting back the same thing now. I'm getting back the gray. I take back. I'm using the gray again.
Okay.
Kind of like a super.
Okay, so now we have to. Ooh, I'll do this part. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this one,
Ooh.
put them here, and then I'm gonna take this one, put it
So
here.
it doesn't see the yellow part. You put it on the back.
Oh, I think that might be. What do you do with it? Oh, we got attached.
I'm gonna have
What
this.
we need? Like a Okay,
Here.
right there. Yeah, that.
And I need to find one more. It's in my pile because I found that one in my pile. Oh, here it is. I gotta reach it. Here's
Okay.
the second.
You're still having trouble. Mandalorian seems hard. We're not at that point, I guess.
Look, I found 3 of these. What?
Wait, I found what we have.
Look. Look, Max. Look, Max.
Look! Look at this! It's up!
Look, I have
It's-
2 of these.
Ooh, wait, why is there 3 eyeballs?
Well, I think one of them is the mouth. That's,
Well, so look, we've done his carriage. What's next? Oh, yeah, we're still doing his carriage.
Okay, that's fine. It might be my pie because my pie has all this stuff. Oh, yeah, I found it down in my pie. The other one is right here.
but these are not.
So, let's
I'm checking there's some pieces left. Yes, this is one of them.
So you found pieces you left over there. Is that? No, you probably just stepped on it.
Okay. Shotgun.
do not
That's a flower.
break you off. Do not make you break me part off because I'm trying to get this piece off.
One of them is white.
No, Max, put this.
This is not the flower.
A pink flower and purple stem.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Flower.
Did you? Was it this?
No, it wasn't. It's these circles. What? Wait, are those gray? Are these gray? I can't tell. They're gray or white. Oh, they're gray. I can't match. I can't tell this gray or white.
Where do we find these?
Oh, they're in here. Remember?
Max, can you tell if that's gray? Can you tell if that's gray?
I took
Max.
one of them.
Can you tell if that's gray? Yes.
We put it here.
Okay.
Can I please?
That's I don't know if that's gray or brown.
No, it's not. That's gray. It's definitely gray.
This.
Okay, well we.
Because I didn't find any white,
Keep
so-
going on this, but we're still working on this.
Okay, so
This and this.
oh.
I think it was purple.
Oh, is it that? Oh, I thought I saw one right there. Oh yeah, there.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's not it.
Okay.
Trying to find more of this gray.
Put it down here.
I mean, this tan.
There, I did.
Okay, we did that. Now we just need this one. I did. We need that.
And
No, just need one of this down here.
and then we need
And now we need.
two of these.
Yeah.
We put them like right here.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So Joey, have you given up?
No, I haven't given up. I'm just kind of trying it.
Oh.
As a he will do it. He will finish eventually.
Mandalorian's a lot harder than Baby Yoda. It's a very difficult. This is very difficult.
Oh, this. Put this
Okay.
here.
Putting this up. Putting the Baby Yoda where go up.
Cheers.
What? Okay. So we just now we do that on the other side.
Okay. That means it's gonna be so easy because I did it on the first side.
Wait, Max, you know what this is? This is a mat for your character to
Guys,
stand
it's
on.
gonna be so
Okay.
easy because I did it on the first side. We have to do it on the
You
other
know what?
side.
I'm probably gonna go tonight. I'm probably gonna go onto Disney Plus and watch The Mandalorian.
Because you haven't watched it yet.
What?
This is so hard. Mandalorian's harder than Baby Yoda. God, and I'm trying to find another piece. I can't find. And I don't know what it is. Probably lost the
Oh, that
piece.
sounds like a song. Because I can't find, and I don't know where it is.
Is that it?
Why would it be all the way back there?
Oh no, it's not it.
Oh.
I mean, I was over here.
What piece though?
But I don't really see it. Come on. How am I supposed to find it? Oh,
Up here.
where are you? Not all the way. Next. It's so hard to find.
Well, we're gonna have to do a part 3. So thank you guys so much. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Bye, gamers. Go.
Look! After this page, we go into this.
Dun dun
The bottom of the black part of the chair. But right now,
Yeah, it's where the
look, you have all the black pieces.
Yeah, cool.